Did you know that according to Forbes, there are about 500 million people watching videos on Facebook every day? And if you're watching this video today, it means that you're about to tap into that market in just 60 seconds of work. Hey, my name is Tom Yezvikov, and in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can tap into these 500 million daily visitors without spending a single dime on traffic and in just 60 seconds of work. I'm also going to show you how I created unlimited traffic-sucking social videos and video ads without any technical know-how in just 1 minute, and tap into all that traffic without ever logging into Facebook. You see, video has a significant advantage when it comes to traffic and engagement, especially in the social media space. Did you know that social video generates 1,200% more viral traffic than text and images combined? Or that Facebook blatantly promotes video on people's news feeds to a point where there is over a 400% increase in video on your news feeds versus everything else? The point is, if you're not using videos in your marketing, you're losing on all this traffic. But let's be real here. We've known about the benefits of video for a long time now, and many of us actually post videos out there. But 99% of the time, we get no traffic and no engagement, not to mention leads or sales. We never go viral, and we have to do everything manually. The reason you're not seeing the results you want to see is because today you need a different kind of video. You need social videos. Social videos are the next generation of videos, and they're getting more attention, clicks, and shares. They stand out and keep viewers glued to the screen. Big brands, celebrities, entrepreneurs, and social media giants such as Gary Vaynerchuk, Patrick Bet-David use them all the time because they know they work. Small fan pages became engagement and money powerhouses the minute they inserted social videos just like ones you'll be able to create and publish in under 60 seconds into their marketing. And if you stick around for another minute, I'll share our case study results and how one of our users have made thousands with these social videos. Now these social videos contain a lot of trending and social elements, animations, layers, and more powerful, captivating, and converting elements. So when I realized that, the potential and how much traffic the top brands were getting, I had to tap into that. But how could I possibly do that? I can't create captivating videos even if my life depended on it. At best, I could spend a couple of thousands for a professional team or record myself speaking about a product, not to mention creating a freaking social video. So I went ahead and I did the only thing I can possibly do. I partnered up with marketing experts Gaurav Bera and Finn Goswami, and together we created a software that allows you to create unlimited traffic-sucking social videos in 60 seconds and allows you to tap into billions of video visitors without spending a dime on traffic or having any technical know-how. Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between, let me introduce VidInflux, the only software that makes getting video traffic and creating a magnetic traffic getting and captivating point-and-click easy. And these social videos look perfect on mobile, which is something that other solutions always fail to do. Here's some of our results using VidInflux. We recently ran a test where we posted the same video with and without VidInflux, which took us 50 seconds to create using our software, to the same audience using the same budget and the same targeting. The normal video got 4,900 views in a few days, while the social video has received over 18,000 views in the same time period. And take a look at results of An, one of our users. He made $4,195 in commission on one CPA network using our social videos creation software and system. I think it's safe to say this is proven to work and make money because it's been working for us and our users time and time again, getting us life-changing results. And remember, this is possible for you as well with just 60 seconds of work. Even if you've never created or published a video before, even if you don't know how to use Facebook or social media, and even if you don't have any free time, this software will work for you 24/7 and get you traffic, leads, and sales like it's nobody's business. This is your chance to start getting traffic leads and sales for free starting today without any prior experience. And you know what? Let me be totally upfront with you. You don't have to use VidInflux to get such amazing results. To create effective, proven, and traffic-sucking social videos, you need to buy a software called Camtasia, which is currently selling for hundreds of dollars more than VidInflux. Then create your own video, record or use an animation software. Then add social elements. Make sure that they're the right dimensions, the right size, find them online. Animate those social elements on your own. Do you own GIF research? And then finally, also create layers to give it complexity using Camtasia, which is a hell to learn. Then you need to manually go ahead and publish your post on Facebook without scheduling, and do it again and again and again on each social media network. And then also create the content for the social media posts manually. So yeah, technically, you can do all this, spend hundreds of dollars, dozens of hours per campaign, and build yourself a daily routine which is a living hell. Or you can use VidInflux, where we made this entire process point and click easy and broke it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Point. This is your creation module. The entire process is literally pointing and clicking. You have 3 ways to import a video to edit. Either use VidInflux Video Fetcher, which auto-fetches a video with Creative Commons rights and the contents of that video in just 1 click, which is great because if you don't want to create your own video but still want to get traffic and branding, you use this feature. Basically getting the best of both worlds. Or you can upload a video from your computer, or you can import a video directly for a URL. Then jump into our drag and drop professional designer. Put your elements into the video like emojis, GIFs, layers, special effects, and more. We have plenty of templates and sections you can choose from, so that your video will be unique, professional, captivating, and magnetic. All this without any tech skills. Then proceed into step number 2, click. This step is where you'll be getting traffic, leads, and sales. VidInflux fetches the most viral and relevant content for your Facebook post or ad, automatically fills it with the content tweaked to fit your ad or post, and publishes it, and you start getting traffic. You don't need to worry about finding content to post your video with or do anything manual. And because this is a Facebook approved software, it's all done smoothly and without any worries. This is all done in 1 click, so you get traffic in 1 click. Then we move into step number 3, which is profits. This step is all about automation. At this point, you're already seeing some clicks and sales, but it's time to put the entire thing on Autopilot. Here you can put the campaign or multiple campaigns on Autopilot, and they keep producing traffic for you 24/7. Plus, you get a full social analytics dashboard with social reactions and engagement report directly from Facebook. Point-click profits. Those are your 3 steps to success with VidInflux. But wait, we're just getting started. We're here to make sure you make money fast. So as part of the deluxe package, you're going to be able to make $100 to $500 per sale by selling these videos as a service to clients. As you probably know right now, these videos are to kill for. Clients and businesses will pay anywhere between $100 to $500 for social video creation or turning their existing videos into social videos. Well, this is your chance to tap into this service and be one of the only ones to do so. We'll also teach you how to sell services like these to clients free of charge. But now you probably want to start creating unlimited traffic-sucking social videos and cash in on all that traffic, leads, and sales. But before you do that, allow me to take it up a notch and show you I mean business. And I'm here to really change your life. For a limited time only, when you purchase VidInflux today, during this special launch, you also get these kick-ass bonuses. Bonus number 1. Click full social media syndication. With this added bonus, you'll be able to tap into even more traffic syndicate to networks such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, Tumblr, Pinterest, and StumbleUpon, so you can get even more traffic from different social media networks. Bonus number 2, our own Layers technology for even crazier results. Layers gives complexity and professionalism to a video. Adding layers to your social vids is a great way to get more engagement and more attention, but it's a hell to create on other softwares like Camtasia. Our tech makes it point and click simple, and you get access to this tech as a limited time bonus for free. Bonus number 3, automatic hashtag syndication. You'll be able to automatically import all the tags from YouTube and turn them into social media hashtags in 1 click. This cool feature will save you a lot of time and do the entire function in just 1 click. Now this is a fully cloud-based software, which means it doesn't matter if you have a PC, Mac, or any other operating system in the world. It's going to work for you as long as you have access to the internet. When you get this, you will, of course, will also be eligible for all the software support and running updates as well as special training and resources we use daily. Honestly, this is all done for you, but you'll be the judge once you get in. Now here's the deal. I don't want you to go through the learning curve we went through. I don't want you to struggle, suffer, or fail. I want to hand you everything you need for fast money on a silver platter. And I want you to send me a screenshot or video testimonial with your results. These things are really worth all our hard work. And because of that, I'm offering you VidInflux for a ridiculous, and when I say ridiculous, I mean disgustingly low one-time price. Scroll down, click the big button, and I'll see you inside. Feel free to email us at the email given at the bottom of the page for support or if you have any questions. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. A more detailed and official refund policy can be found at the bottom of the page. So with that being said, you're covered from every angle, as you get the lowest price, a great guarantee, and a fantastic, never-seen-before system completely done for you and automated. All you need to do is join us on the other side and change your life for good. Look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you.